Hey friends, in this video we're going to learn how to shrink and bundle files in Linux using tar, zip and gzip. These commands help you save space, transfer files, and keep things organized. By the end, you'll know the difference between compressing and archiving and when to use each tool. First, let's clear up a common confusion. Archiving means putting multiple files into one big file, like packing items in a box, and compression means making that file smaller, like vacuum sealing the box. Linux tools often combine both, archiving first and then compressing. So I'm inside Oracle VirtualBox. I'll open my terminal and we'll start with archiving files using tar. It's the standard tool for archiving in Linux. So before moving forward, you need to check if you have two files, that is file 1.txt and file 2.txt. So you can just do ls and check if you have these two files before moving forward. Next, we'll see how to create an archive. So start with the command tar -cvf archive.tar and you'll add file 1.txt and file 2.txt. So when I hit enter, file 1.txt and 2.txt have been added to archive.tar. So you can just do ls and here you can see archive.tar has been created as a directory. And to peek inside this directory, what you can do is type tar.tvf archive.tar. So here you can see file 1.txt and 2.txt have been added inside this archive.tar. And to extract these files from the archive, you need to type tar-xvf archive.tar. So here a file 1.txt and 2.txt have been extracted from this archive. So think of tar as a tool for packing and unpacking boxes. Now we'll see how to compress files using gzip. So gzip compresses files and saves space. So here we'll do ls and check which file we'll need to compress. So we'll take file 1.txt. So the command is gzip file 1.txt and we'll hit enter. And here you can see the file has been compressed. To check if it has been compressed, you can do ls. And here you can see file 1.txt has been converted to file 1.txt.gz. And to decompress it back, you can type the command gzip and then the file name. Do ls and here the file has been reverted back. So gzip only works on single files, but it's often combined with tar. That's why you only see .tar.gz files. So let's see how to use tar with gzip. So here's how you archive and compress together. First, you'll check your directories. Here I can choose the cat directory and the command will be tar -czvf archive.tar.gz and then the folder name, that is cat and slash. So the cat directory has been archived and compressed into a folder. So I'll do ls and here the cat directory has been compressed to a folder. And to extract it back, you can use tar z okay, x zvf archive.tar.gz. So it has now extracted it back. So one command and you've got both archiving and compression. Let's see how to zip and unzip files. So Oracle VirtualBox doesn't support the zip command, but we'll look into it anyways. So zip is a very common thing for sharing files, especially across different systems. So the command is zip archive.zip and then the file names. So here it doesn't like support zip. So this command is used to create a zip file, and to unzip it, you can use unzip, archive dot zip. So if we run it, we will get an extracted zip file. So the nicest thing about zip is it works on Linux, Windows, and macOS, making it great for cross-platform sharing. So to sum it up, tar is used for archiving, gzip is used for compressing. To combine it, we use tar.gz files, and we use zip when you need to find something that works everywhere. So if this video helped you, hit a like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.